nama main game si list main gue ni mega follow kul alla si installa si insieme main gue niat maklante kan masih kosota kayak nama tuh ni kau kesana
I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart. In my heart I have but one desire, and that one is you. No other will do. I've lost all ambition for worldly acclaim. I just want to be the one you love. And with your admission that you feel the same, I'll have reached the goal I'm dreaming of. Believe me, I don't set the world on fire.
War. War never changes. Since the dawn of humankind, when our ancestors first discovered the killing power of rock and bone, blood has been spilled in the name of everything from God to justice to simple psychotic rage. In the year 2077, after millennia of armed conflict, the destructive nature of man could sustain itself no longer. The world was plunged into an abyss of nuclear fire and radiation. But it was not, as some had predicted, the end of the world. Instead, the apocalypse was simply the prologue to another bloody chapter of human history. For man had succeeded in destroying the world. But war never changes. In the early days, thousands were spared the horrors of the Holocaust by taking refuge in enormous underground shelters known as vaults. But when they emerged, they had only the hell of the wastes to greet them. All except those in Vault 101. For on that fateful day, when fire rained from the sky, the giant steel door of Vault 101 slid closed and never reopened. It was here you were born. It is here you will die. Because in Vault 101, no one ever enters, and no one ever leaves.
Let's see. you a boy or a girl? It's a boy. A boy. We've got a son, Catherine. A beautiful, healthy baby boy.
Oh, James. We did it. A son. A beautiful son.
You've got a bright future ahead of you, son. I'm sure of it. Look at you. Look at you. Hi there. I'm your daddy, little guy. Daddy. You're going to need a name, aren't you? Your mother and I have been talking. What do you think about...
Niisiis, millise nime võiks välja mõelda? Näh. Ma ei tea, las sulle niimoodi.
That's a good name, don't you think? Fits you perfect. Looks like they've finished the gene projection. Let's see what you'll look like when you're all grown up.
Okei, nüüd on siis huvitavam asi. Need on selle teame. Näiteks... Okei, seal on nagu... Niisiis, next. Reset. Nii on väga... Ei, kus siin oli see kõige ilusam? Jah, kõige ilusam. Nii, customize. Shape. Ei, nii, heavy. Come on. Perfektne inimene. Nii. Forehead. Ma ei tea. Oh, väga armas. See on veel ilusam. Nii. Ei. Nii ilus. Nii. Jah, nii on perfektne. Nii, back. Brow. Näe. Nii. Jah, et silmad oleks näha ikka. Nii. Perfektne. Nii, edasi. Silmad. Down, up, down, up, down. Small, large. Niimoodi. Tal ei ole vaja suuri silmi. Okei, nii on kõige ilusam. Nose. Niimoodi. Niimoodi. Kurat, Pinocchiot tuleb ikka. Nii. Nii siis. Näh, okei, ilus. Ma tahan ilus Pinocchio. Niimoodi siis suu. Oi. Tähendab, niimoodi soo võttis kõige parem. Aga las olla selline. Ma ei mäleta, mis see oligi. Tal ei ole vaja suuri silmi, niimoodi. Nii. Mida siis? Tänan esimene episood lõppeb momentile, kui ma teen selle inimesse valmis. Nii, forward, praegu. Ma ei näe vahet. Chin. Niimoodi. Niimoodi ikka. Niimoodi. Niimoodi. Ja niimoodi. Tore. Nii, edasi. Hair. ei, see hiir segab. jah, see. Ma pean tulen välja lülitama niimoodi. Okei, ilus inimene. Back. Hair color, nii. maailmas on vähe inimesi, kellel on punased juuksed, nii et temal on siis punased juuksed. Oi. Okei, peab kõik alguses tegema. See siia. Okei, nii on palju kiirem. Tore. Facial hair. Niimoodi. Perfektne inimene. Nii, ta on. Yes.
You're going to look a lot like your dad.
Jaa, mu isast selline jube väärikas inimene, nagu ma saan aru.
Oh, very strapping.
It's a big world out there, son. Full of all sorts of people. What about you? What kind of person are you going to be? You're just
James.
Catherine!
Something's
She's in cardiac arrest. Start compressions. Get the baby out of here. Move! 1,000. 2,000. Come on.
Jee, mis see on mina?
Hang on. Okay?
We need a doctor, not a dentist. Fail to meet my expectations and there will be no doctor. James and his cheery chatter. May your future be bright.
This place will do something just like that.
Ei, ma tahan liikuda. Oh, yes. Fuck you.
Walk to daddy.
Oota. Miks nii ma liikun?
Come to
Ma ei saa aru. Niimoodi.
You can make
You're special. Ma ei tea. Tõsiselt soojad, et ma teen parkouri. Niimoodi. Ilusasti pead liigutada ikka ise.
just a little further.
Näe, ei saagi üles sellest. Tea. Näe, ma ei soovi.
You can do it.
Näe. Oi, pall. Ei!
There you go. My goodness, just a year old and already walking like a pro. Your
Nah.
mother would have been so proud. Listen, kiddo, I know you don't like it when Daddy leaves you alone, but I need you to take care of yourself for a minute. You just stay here while Daddy runs to his office. You'll be okay, pal. I'll be back in a bit.
Jee, tuleks minna. Vachakanato. Niimoodi kinni. Tore. Jee. Ei. See ongi siis. Jee. Jess. Nii olime nüüd. Ma tahan olla. Kes ma tahan olla? Ma tahan olla mingi. Ma tahan olla epic inimene. Ei. Ma tahan. Nii, siin lõpus oli kõik. Okei, tore. Nii, tugevus. Nii. Oi, tehtud. Jee, niimoodi. Kriitiliselt passiv, siin ootan nii kaua, kui see tuleb. See tehtud juba ammu. Ära mõlis. Ära lükka mind. Niimoodi. Lükka. Ma ei. Tule lahti. Ei, ma olin türa siin sees.
Quite a little explorer.
Fuck you.
There's me right for
Vabandust sõna eest.
Come on over here. I want to show
Jee, ma tahan ära minna. Jee, kui sa oled. Mõnes mõttes väga pilkult tehtud mäng, kuna tema kuskil seal passiv vaatab, et mina olen kuskil siin, aga mina rahulikult jalutan ringi. La. Vachakanato.
All right, come on. Let's go see if your little friend Amado wants.
Ma peidan, sa ei näe mind. Ei, sa ei näe mind. Okei. Jee. Ma lähen teisele poole. La. Ilus. La. Ha! Väike bot.
They have damaged the experiment to prepare to survive.
Stanley, you turned the lights on too fast.
Oh jee, jee. Tere.
Happy birthday!
Jee, ma tahan hüpata, ma tahan hüpata.
So fast.
Happy birthday,
Jee, mu pea
pal.
liigub.
Can't believe you're already 10. I'm
Ma
so
tahan sensiitit
proud.
juurde lisama. Jee, jee.
Congratulations, young man. I
Ei,
don't...
ma tahan sensiitit juurde, settings. Nii. Controls vist. Sensiitit tahan juurde.
don't have to tell you how
Jee,
special this
palju
day
palju.
is, do I?
Vist, ei liiga palju, okei. Nii, controls, no ma ei tea. Piisavalt.
Down here in Vault 101, when you turn 10, well, you're ready to take on your first official vault responsibilities. So here you are. As Overseer, I hereby present to you your very own Pip-Boy 3000.
ma tänan, mingi inimene suri ja siis ma sain tema selle
You'll be
vana.
getting your first work assignment tomorrow.
Mind ei huvita see.
Enjoy your party. You're only 10 once, so have fun.
Happy birthday!
ma ei saa sinuga rääkida.
Your dad was afraid you were onto us. But I told him not to worry. You're so easy to fool. You're welcome. But really, hey,
ma ei tea näiteks.
Well-
Jee, ma saan jalutada ringi.
Oh man, you got a Pip-Boy. I wish I was 10.
nii, ma tahan endale sellise mütsi. Jee, jee, jee. Ma saan päris ära olla.
Enjoying yourself?
Näe, liigu
oh
üks.
no.
Jee, sa oled nii armas, lõika mind, lõika mind. Jaa. Jaa, sa lõikad maju, okei. Nii, kuidas Pip-Boy avada?
But I'm not
Hey, how
sure
about the
anyone
Vault
else
Lord?
Vaata.
People always enjoy
Vanaema. Nii, ma tahan sinuga rääkida. Tore teada, tore teada. Tore teada. Jee, ma sain oma keegi. Okei. Nii, ma tahan välja minna.
I'm hungry, and that stupid robot just give me
Mind ei huvita.
this. Oh yeah.
Ugh, this is supposed to be a party, you know? Fun?
Jee,
Just try
jee.
something, Daddy.
Haa, robot mind päästab, ta tapab su ära.
What do you think you're doing? Leave him alone.
Jaa, ma tahan üksinda olla. Ma tahan forever alone olla.
Now go on and
Ha,
enjoy.
little fag. What you gonna do?
What's the problem?
Son,
How's it going,
you
pal?
didn't hurt.
Jee, jee. Kuidas ma oma Pip-Boy saan avada?
Happy
Oi, ma panin mingi toggle, et see ise
I know you were
liiguks.
busy with the water purifier.
Jee.
Everything's fine,
okei,
I hope.
tab. Niimoodi näiteks ma tahan riided. Items. Jumpsuit, kids, party hats. ei, ma olen neid isegi 2 tükki. Okei, niimoodi tab.
Oh, sure. Nothing to worry about. Me and
Oi.
Andy got her all fixed up again last night.
nii, kas mul on? kujuta aeg, drop, okei. Misk, ei, Citral, jee. Jee,
Thank goodness new.
I wasn't worried.
okei, ma tahan ära.
Anything, right? Anyway, I'm glad you
Come
could
on,
make it.
Wally. You always
you
have good
having a nice
ideas.
Joo, mehike, ma tahan siit ära saada.
I hope Butch didn't hurt you. Why that? You let...
Party, Mrs. Palmer. I helped with the decorations and...
oi, mehike, davai, ma tahan välja, ma tahan välja saada. Ava see uks. nii, come on.
Hello, Officer Gomez. I'm glad you could make it.
ma tahate öelda, et ma pean kõikidega rääkima. tere,
How do you like that
mehike.
Pip-Boy, son?
mulle väga meeldis, väga tore,
I
väga tore,
bet you-
väga tore.
Here-
väga tore, väga tore.
To keep
nii,
in touch
head
with
aega.
young people, you know, it's part of my job. Plus, well, I like parties.
oi, neeger.
Sure.
tere, neeger.
Hey, thanks for inviting me. Really cool party and everything.
ja, tere, ma tahan, ma lihtsalt tahtsin
Well,
oma
it's been nice
kistist
chatting
saada.
with you.
I think
Sorry
Paul's
about
gone
Butch.
soft on me.
Your
Ja,
dad
mehike.
had it invited.
don't you introduce us to your best friend? Who do you mean?
okei.
Oh, hey, it's Jonas. Happy birthday. Sorry I couldn't be at your party. Listen, would you put your dad on?
Happy birthday, dork face.
Happy birthday!
Ha,
Jonas?
väike fag.
Sure. I mean, I really
You're gonna be
like that.
really
Yeah.
sorry.
Thanks. I'll send him right down.
You're gonna be really sorry you messed with me,
Oota.
Hey, that was Jonas on the intercom. Jonas?
Ja, ma tahan. Jaa, nii hea. Noh, davai, see on minu sünnipäev, sina teed seda, mida mina tahan. Jee, ma stakkisin, yes.
Happy birthday,
No, tore, davai, anna. Nii.
Enjoying yourself?
Aida the birthday poem. Nii ma ei viitsi ise minna. Jei. Nii. Väga hea, siin on toggle olemas. Jei, väga huvitav. Okei. Toggle. Jei. Mina ei pea midagi vajutama, ainult siit liigutama. Ei, ma ei taha sinuga rääkida. Ma tahan lihtsalt sisse saada. Joo, Mehika, kus sa oled? Läksis minu
What are you doing down here?
Nii, davai, ava mulle uks, ole mees. Ole mees, ava mulle uks.
Are you ready for your surprise?
No shit.
Yep. You know how... So. We...
Nii. Oi, tore. Jee, nice. Nii, toggle. Ma näen välja nii epic.
Well, what do you think?
Nice. This is great, thanks. Tere. Nii, toggle. Nii, nüüd ma vaja. Weapons, BB gun, okei, see on equiped. Boom.
Careful, it's a rad roach. Think you can take care of that with the BB gun? Just shoot.
Hell yeah. What you gonna do?
Good work. Let's get a pic.
Yeah.
Hey, Jonas, get a picture of me with a big game hunter. What in God's name is wrong with you?
Headshot. Boom.
Stop screwing around.
Headshot. Boom.
Stop screwing around.
Headshot. Nii, ennast ei saa beatboy'd kasutada. Vatšaka näed. Okei, ma teen foto ise veel.
Smile.
Ei.
Different paths. Right.
Anyway, so I'm the overseer's daughter, so what? Like, I get any kind of special.
Revelation 21:6. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. As far as I can tell, you're a perfectly healthy 16-year-old boy. So yes, you have to go to class to take your GOAT exam. Go on now. You've got a GOAT to take. Hey, it's not... Come on. Take...
Niimoodi. Okei. Yes. Okei, siis tänaseks oli kõik. Ma olen väga ilus inimene. Punaste juustu. Ja ma ei tea, järgmine episood tuleb näiteks homme, kui mul on aega ja ma viitsin. Ja head aega.